Everyone can succeed this well-known Chinese dish, stir-fry satay beef. All you need is to have satay powder and to stir-fry on very high heat. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by marinating the beef. Cut the beef into slices of about 7 mm thick. Put them in a mixing bowl, then add a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch that will make the beef tender. Mix all together. Let it rest while preparing the vegetables. Cut the onion into chunks. Cut half a pepper into chunks. Cut the spring onion into sections. Now we can start cooking. Put 8 centiliters of oil in a pan over very high heat. When the oil is very hot, as soon as it starts to smoke, gently add the marinated beef. Don't stir. Let it brown for 1 minute. Flip the pieces of the beef. Leave them brown another minute. Briefly stir, then drain them. Continue the cooking on a very high heat. Put the vegetables, the onion, the pepper, and the spring onion. Add 1 tablespoon of beef frying oil. Stir for 1 minute. Add the beef and 1 good tablespoon of satay powder. Stir for 30 seconds. Cut the fire. Serve a stir-fry satay beef with a bowl of jasmine rice. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.